Good morning, children. Welcome back to our virtual session of geography. So today we will start with your lesson number 8, that is economy and occupation. Children, before we start, we should know what is the meaning of the concept economy and occupation. In our previous class, we have already studied about what is economy and what are various types of occupations. As we are here to make a comparative study of both the developing countries, we should know that what are the major occupations of this country and what are the economy or which type of economy these countries they have adopted. So children, first we should recall and recapitulate the meaning of economy. Already we know that the concept of economy or the word economy derived from the Greek word that is oikonomia, that is the management of various resources, the concept of production, distribution and consumption. Children, as India is a developing country, we had adopted mixed economy concept for the economic development of our country. We had adopted mixed economy because we want to have a balance between private and public sector. Because after we got our independence, we were left with nothing. So what was the big question was that how to develop economically our country. So for that, there must be balance between private and public sector. So with this concept in mind, we adopted this concept of mixed economy for the development of our country. And children, we know already about various types of occupation. Our country, maximum people they are engaged in primary occupation. You already know that there are three types of major occupations, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary occupation generally deals with the production of raw materials which is needed for the industries. So primary occupation which deals with raw material, production of raw material, understood? And the secondary occupation, it deals with the processing of those raw materials, understood? And tertiary occupation, it deals with how to distribute those finished products, understood? So in India, major people they are occupied in primary occupation. So as we are developing country, so it is very difficult that everybody should have we can say employment or per capita income, how to generate per capita income, how to raise the per capita income, that is a major question. For that development or generation of employment is very necessary. So come to your lesson. So I hope everybody you are very clear with the concept of economy and occupation. Now we'll come to our lesson, that is economy and occupation. Now to start with this figure 8.1, children, already I know that all these are activities which should be done by you, but I want to tell you about this because it will be if I'll tell you, then you will have clear idea about this lesson. Understood? Now come to figure 8.1. Here some questions are given. We are supposed to make comparative study of India, US and Brazil. US is developed country and India and Brazil, they are developing country. So here we are supposed to make comparative study which is given here. So it is given that gross national income from 1960 to 2016 in million US dollar, and the three countries are given, and among these three countries, one country is developed country, that is USA. So children, concentrate on figure 8.1. You can see the three countries are given and one by one we'll do the question. First is, which country's national income was highest in 2016 and was it how much it was, understood? So you can see three different colors are given. For US it is green, for India it is red, and for Brazil it is blue. Now first we'll answer the first question. Which country national income was much highest? So come to year 2016, you can see US, understood? Now come to second question. Comparing India and Brazil, which country had a higher national income in 1980? So here come to 1980, you can see Brazil is having higher income compared to India.